Well, with that, there is more breaking news which is coming in right now. The Kolkata police have denied the BJP protest a nod as they have a planned protest march demanding justice. Well, this is going to be a huge political flashpoint. The Kolkata police now have said that the BJP protest is not going to be given permission. Remember, the TMC too is going to be holding a protest rally, and that rally of the TMC will be at 3 p.m. The BJP rally, which was scheduled to be held from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., however, did not get the police nod. We'll have to wait and see on what grounds it is that the police have refused to give permission to the BJP. For that, let me go across to Shreya, who's joining us with all the details. Shreya, what are the official reasons for denying the BJP permission to hold a protest rally?
Well, so far what we know from BJP sources is that police have denied permission to that of the BJP. Remember, it was yesterday when State President Sukhanto Majumdar called for a protest. He said, first of all, BJP is going to block roads in every block. Second, he said that there will be a sit-in demonstration where we saw that Abhijit Ganguly and both Sukhanto Majumdar along with Dilip Ghosh and others were going to join from today. And after that, there will be a protest march from that of Hajra Mode to the Chief Minister's residence, which will be led by BJP Mahila Morcha. So this was the plan of action for the BJP party for the whole day. Now what we got to know from BJP sources is that police have denied permission. However, the BJP have said that they will continue with their program. And remember, the BJP leaders, the top BJP leaders have in fact started arriving at the protest site one after other. Now as far as the TMC party is concerned, let me also inform you that Mamta Banerjee herself will hit the street today. Mamta Banerjee is asking capital punishment for the accused. She has given a deadline to that of the CBI. Mamta Banerjee has said now that the case has been transferred to that of the CBI, she wants all the accused to be brought to the books and she wants the accused to be hanged. Now, Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee around 3 p.m. will start a protest rally from that of Moulali Mode and protest towards Dorina Crossing. So while the Mahila Morcha will be protesting to Chief Minister, will be marching to Chief Minister's residence, asking for her resignation, it is Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee herself who is hitting the street, asking capital punishment and a quick solution to this case. So we will have to see how it pans out today for both the political parties.
Very interesting. So on one hand, you have Mamta Banerjee, who is going to be leading the TMC protest. On the other hand, you have the BJP, who is trying to hold a protest against Mamta Banerjee, demanding her resignation. We'll keep coming back to you. Meanwhile, there are more reactions which are coming in, this time around by the BJP. This is what Giriraj Singh has to say. Listen in to the Union Minister lashing out at Mamta Banerjee and what he calls the misrule under her.
अब ममता जी कह रही हैं कि ये हमला वाम और राम ने मिल के किया है।
कल बंगाल के अंदर कोई गुंडागर्दी भी करता है तो ममता बनर्जी अभिषेक बनर्जी के इजाजत से करता है। वहां लोग सांस भी लेते हैं, इनके इजाजत के बगैर नहीं लेते। ऐसी शासन व्यवस्था और गुंडागर्दी की हद है। ये गुंडे टीएमसी के थे और भगवान राम को घिसेटती हैं। इनका नाश होना तय है।